به نام خدا. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. سلام دوستان، به سومین بخش از افعال ضروری آشپزخانه خوش اومدید. In this lesson we are going to learn more essential cooking verbs. The first verb that we have here is Advie Zadan. Advie means season or spice. Advie alone is a noun, but Advie with Zadan become a compound verb. Advie Zadan means to season or to spice. So the present stem of Zadan, any word that it ends with Zadan, is Zan. The past stem just Zad, because if you remove the N, then you have just Zad. Advie Zadam means I seasoned. Advie bezanid, season it. Advie mizanid, do you add season? The next verb is Amade Kardan. Amade means prepare. To prepare, آماده کردن. غذا را آماده کنید. Prepare the food. غذا را آماده می‌کنید. Do you prepare the food? And you do not only use آماده کردن in the kitchen. You can use it in many other conditions. For example, من خانه را آماده کردم. I prepared the house. من خانه را برای جشن آماده کردم. جشن means a party. So I prepared the house for the party. گذاشتن. It's the next infinitive that we have here. گذاشتن means to put or to place. The present stem is گذار. The past stem is just گذاشت. The example is دیگ را روی آتش بگذارید. Put the pot on the heat. دیگ pot روی on آتش heat or fire. Here it's heat. بگذارید. So put the pot on the heat. دیگ را روی آتش گذاشتم. I put the pot on the heat. دیگ را روی آتش میگذارم. I will put the pot on the heat. Then we have برداشتن. برداشتن means to take or to remove. Present stem بردار. Past stem برداشت. در دیگ را بردارید. در means door or here it's the pot lid. در دیگ را بردارید. Remove the pot lid. So در دیگ را برداشتم. or در دیگ را بر می دارم. The example in the present tense. بر می دارم. It's one of those exceptions. So here we do not say می بردارم. We say بر می دارم. Means I will take it. I will remove it. Then we have Bastan. Bastan means to close, to lock. So if you close something, you can use the infinitive Bastan. Bastan means to cover or to close. Band, present stem of it. Bast, past stem of it. در قابلمه رو ببندید. قابلمه or pot. قابلمه or دیگ, both of them means pot. در قابلمه رو ببندید. Close the lid of the pot. So در here is the pot lid, but also we use در for the door. For example, the door of the room or the door of the car. We use در for all of these. So close the lid of the pot. در قابلمه رو ببندید. because band is the present stem of it. به plus present stem plus the verb name. That is the structure of imperative. در قابلمه رو بستم. I closed the lid of the pot. در قابلمه رو میبندم. I will close the pot lid. Then the opposite of Bastan is باز کردن, to open. Again, always the present stem of کردن, کن. The past stem کرد, در رو باز کنید. Open the. It can mean open the door, maybe according to the context, according to where you are in that specific situation. If we say در رو باز کنید, it means open the door, or it means open the lid if you are in the kitchen. So باز میکنم, I will open it. باز کردم, I opened it. Then the word reduce. Reduce is کم کردن. To reduce, کم کردن. For example, in the kitchen you say lower the heat. آتش را کم کنید. آتش را کم کردم. In the past. آتش را کم می کنم. That is in the future or present tense. Then خاموش کردن means to turn off. Turn off the heat. خاموش کردن. You can use it in the kitchen. For example, آتش رو خاموش کنید. Turn off the heat. Or you can use it in many other situations as well. You can turn on the lamp, turn off the lamp, and anything that you can turn it off, like TV, radio, and more. So I can say لامپ رو خاموش کردم. I turned off the lamp. آتش رو خاموش کردم. I turned off the fire or heat. So that was the most important and essential cooking verbs of part 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me your ideas in the comments. Then see you in our next video.